Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Indy. I hope you guys had a great weekend and I hope you enjoyed our previous video. Today's video is going to be on iOS 16. So we have been using iOS 16 for quite some time now. We've been testing it out and it is a great version and update. Let's take a deep dive into it and see what's new, what's fresh. Now, in having said that, before we get started with this video, please subscribe, guys. You are watching the videos, but you guys are not subscribing yet. Subscribe, it's free. Click the bell notification button, it's free. Let's get started. Major updates on the iOS 16, which you should be really excited about. One is, of course, the customized wallpaper. You can actually now customize wallpaper as per your taste. The next update that we are really excited about is, of course, with AirPods. With iOS 15, if you needed to actually go into the settings of your AirPods, you had to go into Bluetooth, find the connected device, and then go into settings. You don't need to do that anymore. You'll actually get your connected devices right here. You can actually go in there and change the setting and do whatever you need to do with that device that is connected. The cool feature with iOS 16 is, of course, let's take a device that's running iOS 15. So previously, if you needed to search something, you had to pull down or go across the screen and then go and search for whatever you were looking for. With iOS 16, you can actually see right here in the bottom where there is a scroller right there. You can actually click there and you can search right from here. Cool feature that we really liked is if you go into notifications, you can actually set up your notifications on your home screen or on your wallpaper or on your lock screen. So you can now have lists, which we had previously in the iOS 15, or you can have stacks. You can have them like stacks where they will be on the bottom of the screen. So if we were to just close this one, and it will appear right here in the bottom. So if we go back here as count, you can have them as count as well. Basically, that is a great feature to have. Down to privacy and security. So under privacy and security, you will now find an option called locked-on mode. So what lockdown mode is to simplify it, if you fear that you are going to be or you are targeted via a highly sophisticated cyber attack, actually just turn on lockdown mode. So it actually lockdowns pretty much all the information that's listed out here with your messages, FaceTime, web browsing, shared albums, device connections, Apple services, and profile. Also have a new feature called safety check, which is important. If in circumstances or trust level change, safety check allows you to disconnect from people, apps, and devices you no longer want to be connected to, which is a great new feature added on to iOS 16. Exciting. It makes the phone feel fresh. It makes the iPhone really feel fresh, and it's great, you know. But you to download it right now? No, wait till the final version comes out. Why? Because it's got a lot of bugs still in the system. There are a lot of apps that don't work the way they should. Only if you have one iPhone, but if you have other iOS devices and there's a spare one lying around somewhere and you really want to test drive the iOS 16, then yes, by all means, go ahead and download it. We'll make a separate video of how to do that, how to download and how to get started with the iOS 16 beta. If you have any questions regarding the iOS 16, please tell us in the comments. We will respond to it. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment, and please ring the bell notification. All of these are free. Now, do whatever you want, man. I will see you in the next video. Bye now.